Welcome to my channel Maths Tutor. In this video we will do standard 8th ICSE Maths chapter 5 sets exercise 5 question number 1 first part. Which of the following collection of objects are sets? Number 1, all good cricket players of Delhi. Now set means a collection of well defined objects. Good cricket players, it is not well defined. One player may be good for us, he may be bad for the others. So part first, it is not a set. Part second, all consonants of English alphabet. Now you know all consonants of English alphabets. They are very well defined. There isn't any doubt in it. So it is well defined. Yes, it is a set. Part third, all natural numbers less than 125, they are very well defined. It is a set. Number 4, all students of your class whose height between 135 and 155 centimeter, it is very well defined. Exact number of students will come, so it is a set. Number 5, all popular cinema actors in Mumbai. Now again, it is not well defined. Popular cinema actors, one actor may be popular in one region, one other may be popular in other region, so it is not well defined, it is not a set. Question number 2, let u is equal to x such that x belongs to z minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. So first of all, we will start writing the elements of u. Elements of u will be x belongs to z, x एक इंटीजर है, -3 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x, -3 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x, that means x start from -3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Because x less than or equal to 3, so we have to write up to 3. Now a is x belongs to w, x होल नंबर है, x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3, होल नंबर कहां से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 0 से, लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3, दैट मींस वी विल राइट अप टू 3. b is x belongs to नेचुरल नंबर, x नेचुरल नंबर है, नेचुरल नंबर कहां से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 1 से. नाउ 1 लेस देन x, हियर इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू, is not written, so x we will start from 2 because 1 is less than x, 1 is not in b, x less than or equal to 3 और natural number 3 तक equal है, so we will write it up to 3. Now number 1 we have to find a complement. A complement means from the universal set u, you have to cut the elements of a. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 we will cut from u. So complement of a is equal to -3, -2 and -1. -3, -2 and -1. Then part 2, b complement. B complement is equal to, from the universal set u, now we have to cut the elements of b, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 we have to cut, remaining elements we have to write, that is -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. Elements of b we need not to write. Question number 3, a is equal to ABCD, B is equal to ABE. We have to write A union B. अब A union B में आपको बताया था कि A के B के सभी एलिमेंट्स लिखने हैं, जो दोनों में है उसको एक बार लिखना है. A B C D, A B C D पहले A के लिख लिए. अब देखो A भी आ गया, B भी आ गया, E नहीं आया, जो एलिमेंट B का रह गया वो भी लिखना है. So A B C D E is A यूनियन बी। नंबर 2 ए इंटरसेक्शन बी। ए इंटरसेक्शन बी में सिर्फ ए और बी के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स लिखने हैं, जो ए में भी है बी में भी है, दैट इज ए एंड बी ओनली। सो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज ए एंड बी। ए माइनस बी, ए में से बी के एलिमेंट कट करने हैं। बी के एलिमेंट कौन कौन से हैं? ए बी ई। इधर से ए बी कट कर दो, ई तो है ही नहीं, तो बाकी एलिमेंट्स क्या रह गए? सी और डी। सी डी। बी माइनस ए, अब बी में से ए के कट करने हैं, बी में से ए के कट करने हैं। ये ए भी कट हो गया, बी भी है वो भी कट हो गया, ई इसमें आई नहीं, सी डी भी आई नहीं, तो बाकी क्या रह गया बी में? ओनली ई। सो बी माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू सेट ई। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, a is equal to x is a letter in the word Maharashtra. B is equal to y such that y is a letter in the word Madhya Pradesh. We have to write the elements of A. Number 1, A is equal to letter in the word Maharashtra. We will start from M. M, A, H, A को दोबारा नहीं लिखना है, it is already there. R, again A is there. S, H is already there. T, R is already there. A is already there. So it is M A H R S T. Now we will write the elements of set B. Y is the letter in the word Madhya Pradesh. We will start from M. M, A, D, H, Y. A is already there. P, A is already there. R, D is there. E, S, and H is already there. Now we have to find A union B. Now A union B, we will write all the elements of A and B. A के सभी एलिमेंट्स भी आएंगे, B के भी आएंगे. M, A, H, R, S, T. अब B के चेक कर लो, जो नहीं आए B के लिखो. M is there, A is there, D नहीं आया, D. H is there, Y नहीं आया पहले. P नहीं आया. R is there, E, yes, and S is already there. So it is A union B. You have to write the elements of A as well as the elements of B also. Question number 5. If A is equal to factors of 18, B is equal to factors of 30. First of all, we will list the elements of A. Now we know that factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Elements of B are factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. 1 and the number itself is the factor of every number. Then you have to write all the numbers which divides the number completely. So in this way we can write the factors. Now we will write A union B. बेटे A के सभी एलिमेंट्स लिख लो, फिर B के एलिमेंट्स जो नहीं आए वो भी लिख दो. 1 2 3 6 1 2 3. अब 5 B में है, उधर से लिख दो. 6 दोनों में है, देन 9 A में है, 10 B में है, 10 के बाद 15 B में है, देन 18 A में है, देन 30. it is A union B. A K B or B K B. A intersection B. Now we have to write the common elements only. 1, 2, 3, 6, after 6, 9 and 18. They are not the elements of B. So it is complete. A intersection B. A minus B. From the set A, we will cut the elements of B. 1 is cut, 2 is cut, 3 is cut, 6 is cut. Only 9 and 18 left. So A minus B is 9 and 18. B minus A. From the set B, we will cut the elements of A. 1 is cut, 2 is cut, 3 is cut, then 5 will remain there, 6 is cut, then no element common. So B minus A is 5, 10, 15 and 30. Part third, A minus B intersection C. First of all, we will find B intersection C. B intersection C is B और C के जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं, 4 कॉमन है, 6 कॉमन है एंड 8 कॉमन है. बस B intersection C is 4, 6, 8. Now A minus A 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 minus B intersection C is 4, 6, 8. So अब इसमें से 4, 6, 8 कट हो जाएंगे, 4 भी कट हो जाएगा, 6 भी कट हो जाएगा और आंसर इज 3 and 5 only. Part 4, B minus A union C. First of all, we will write the elements of A union C. All the elements which are common, which are in A and C. A union C. A के सभी elements लिख लो बेटे पहले. अब C के चेक करो, ये 4 भी आ गया, 5 भी आ गया, 6 भी आ गया, 7 और 8 ये भी लिखने हैं. It is A union C. Now B minus A union C. B में से A union C के कट कर दो. 3 नहीं है, 6 है, 6 कट हो गया, 8 है वो कट हो गया और कुछ नहीं है. So B minus A union C is 4, 10, 12 and 24. Question number 7. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to X such that X belongs to W, whole number. And 4 less than X less than 9. We will list the elements of B. 4 less than X. That means they start from 5, 6, 7 and 8. X less than 9. So at the 8 it stops. Now C, X such that X belongs to N. X natural number है. X less than or equal to 8. Natural number start होते हैं 1 से, less than or equal to है तो 8 तक जाएंगे. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now A union B union C. B union C. तो 5, 6, 7, 8 C के 1 से लेके 8 तक ही आते हैं तो ये C सेट ही आ जाएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अब A 1, 2, 3, 4 इसकी यूनियन इससे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 से. So A union B union C, we will write A 1, 2, 3, 4 union B union C is 1, 2 up to 8. When we will take the union of these two, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then part second, A intersection B. We will write A and B intersection, only common elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There isn't any common element A intersection B. It is an empty set. So we will write empty set union C. C is 1 to 8. So 1 to 8. So यही आंसर आ जाएगा इसकी एम्प्टी सेट के साथ यूनियन. ये 1 से लेके 8 तक ही आ जाएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Then part third, A union B intersection C. First of all, we will write A union B. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. इसकी इंटरसेक्शन C के साथ, इंटरसेक्शन C अगेन 1 to 8. अभी सभी एलिमेंट्स ही कॉमन है तो ये 1 से लेके 8 तक फिर आ जाएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then part 4 is A intersection B union C is equal to A union B intersection C. Yes, part third and second, they are equal 1 to 8. It is also equal 1 to 8. So our answer is yes. Question number 8. A is equal to 0 1 2 3, B is equal to 3 4 6, C is equal to 0 1 3. We have to write A union B union C. It is equal to A 0 1 2 3. Now union B union C we will write. B is 3 4 6, C is 0 1 3. So B union C, it will become 0 1 3 4 6. 0 1 3 4 6. Now we will take their union. It is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 6. Part 2. We have to find left hand side. A union B union C. A union B union C. A union B we will write 0 1 2 3 4 6. It is 0 1 2 3 4 6. Its union with C. C is 0 1 3. Now we will take the union. It is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 6. So it is also 0 1 2 3 4 6. It is also 0 1 2 3 4 6. So it is verified. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now part 2. Left hand side. A intersection B intersection C. A is 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. We have to take its intersection with B intersection C. Now B intersection C, only 3 is there. Only element 3 is common. So B intersection C is 3. Now we will take A intersection B intersection C. Only 3 is common again. So A intersection B intersection C is 3. Now we will find right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B intersection C. अब A intersection B पहले लेना है. A और B की intersection. Only 3 is common. So A intersection B is 3. Its intersection with C. C is 0 1 3. अब जब इन दोनों की इंटरसेक्शन लेंगे तो सिर्फ फिर 3 कॉमन रह जाएगा. So we get left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Kindly like this video and subscribe my channel Maths Tutor.